So our today's topic is Legendre's linear equation. What is Legendre's linear equation? The equation of the form ax plus b whole to the power of n dny by dx power n plus k1 into ax plus b whole to the power of n minus 1 d to the power of n minus 1 y by dx to the power of n minus 1 so on plus k and y is equals to q of x. This is our equation number 1 and it is said to be nth order Legendre's equation. It is said to be nth order's Legendre's equation. Okay, now how to start this? First, what I am doing, let us consider ax plus b is equals to e to the power of z. Okay, in previous method we considered x is equals to e to the power of z in our Cauchy-Euler's method. Here we are assuming ax plus b equals to e to the power of z. Now apply log on both sides. Apply log on both sides. What we'll get here? Log of ax plus b is equals to log of e power of z. Log and exponential will get cancelled. Log of ax plus b is equals to z. Now keep this equation aside. Now you take ax plus b is equals to e to the power of z. Okay, now differentiating on both sides. Differentiating on both sides, what we'll get here? A dx will get equals to e to the power of z dz. Okay, so now here what I am taking, dz by dx is equals to a by e to the power of z. Okay, now dz by dx is equals to a divided by what is e power of z. Here we considered e power of z as ax plus b, that only I am writing ax plus b. Okay, if dz by dx is equals to a by x plus 1, what will be dy by dx? Dy by dx is nothing but, how we can write this, dz by dx into dy by dz. If we cancel this two, again we will get same value. So now I am substituting here, dz by dx is nothing but a by ax plus b, right, into dy by dz. Now we got this equation. Now you send this term here, that is ax plus b into dy by dx is equals to a dy by dz. Here you consider d by dz as d dash. Okay, d by dz as d dash. Now if I substitute here, what I'll get? Ax plus b into dy by dx is equals to a d dash y I'll get here, right? So similarly, if I take ax plus b whole square d square y by dx square, so what I'll get here? Here a square d dash into d dash minus 1 into y. Same like our Euler's method. Okay, there we are taking theta into theta minus 1. Here we are taking d dash into d dash minus 1 into a square. Okay, now what will be our cube term? A plus b whole cube d cube y by dx cube is equals to, it will be a cube, right? Here what we'll get here? D dash minus 1 d dash minus 2. Okay, so on it will get continued.